How thick should a mattress topper be for back pain? If you're struggling with back pain and wondering if a mattress topper could be the solution, you're on the right track. Let's break down the details to help you find the perfect thickness for your needs. First, it's important to understand that the thickness of a mattress topper can significantly impact how well it alleviates back pain. For most people, a topper that is too thin won't provide enough support or pressure relief. For side sleepers, a thicker topper is usually the way to go. A thickness of 3 to 4 inches is ideal because it provides the necessary cushioning for your hips and shoulders, helping to relieve pressure points and improve overall comfort. This extra depth ensures that your body is properly aligned, reducing the strain on your back. For back sleepers, a medium thickness topper is often the best choice. A topper between 2 to 3 inches offers a good balance of support and cushioning, promoting proper spinal alignment and reducing back pain. This thickness helps keep your spine in the correct position without making the mattress feel too soft. Stomach sleepers, however, need to be careful not to sink too deeply into the mattress. For them, a thinner topper, around 1 to 2 inches, is usually more suitable. This thickness maintains a more even sleep surface and prevents the hips from sinking too far, which can lead to lower back pain. Body weight is another factor to consider. Lighter individuals may find that a thinner topper works well, but heavier individuals will likely need a thicker topper to ensure proper support and prevent excessive sinkage. A 3 to 4 inch topper is often recommended for heavier individuals as it provides the necessary depth to maintain spinal alignment and comfort. The condition of your current mattress also plays a role. If your mattress is too firm, a thicker topper can add the necessary softness and support. Conversely, if your mattress is already soft, a thinner topper might be all you need to add a bit more support without making the bed feel too soft. In summary, for back pain relief, the optimal thickness of a mattress topper generally falls between 3 to 4 inches for side sleepers and 2 to 3 inches for back sleepers. Stomach sleepers should opt for a thinner topper to avoid excessive sinkage. By choosing the right thickness based on your sleeping position and body weight, you can significantly improve your comfort and reduce back pain.